detected your probes. We scanned them and discovered on board a golden disc containing sounds, images, and messages from the people of Terra, or Earth, as we learned you call it. Peter Quill has claimed that the most important item on the disc worth sharing with the universe is the musical message from your Terran, Chuck Berry. I am still processing this message, but am curious to know where Johnny is going, and is he being good?
Our cultural and art centers are renowned throughout the galaxy. Xandar offers a variety of entertainment that reflects our diverse population. Our famous Galaxarians, where Xandarians go to learn about our history and culture, inspired the Galaxarian we brought here, the Wonders of Xandar at Epcot. Education is paramount.
All who approach our planet from space. As time
This is our current prime, land layout. History of Xandar. After Nova 5, our
There's the ship.
celebrating Centurions, all of our. They are backed by dedication to training, competitive spirit. He's taken a keen interest in one of your Terran sports. After Centurion comes the rank of Millennials. This is Meridian Ray Orion, a skilled aeronaut who recently set a new speed record while utilizing Xandarian jump gate technology.
Courage, Peter. To flail around like a total fool to help save the day.
Okay, so you're not really making it sound as intense and dangerous as that.
I'm sure it was very intense. We'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was in just a Our world would have been destroyed in the battle with the Kree were it not for the help we received from the Guardians of the Galaxy. I was fortunate to secure this exclusive interview with them. I am absolutely thrilled to speak with the leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, I'm the leader. And I'm also the
It was
coward.
Star-Lord?
Yeah, we only let him think that. And don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him DJ Quill.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Superior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I am watching Terrans for the odds.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where? It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, dude, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We broke in the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. Spider's making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
I have every condition on there. High blood pressure, bad back, blood pressure.
I wonder if they're gonna take a picture like they did that one guy. The picture, the on-high picture.
Headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. And we are likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way.
We got the generator.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, raise your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
It's epic. Remind me to raise that rate. Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship to use your
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
How'd you like it?
Where's that cake toast?